So it was 2013. My daughter started kindergarten, and I had started tennis when I was in elementary school. I always wanted to get back to it. When my daughter started kindergarten, I really saw it as an opportunity to get back to tennis, to get better, and to play some competitive tennis. And I started drilling with Kirsty, and she was the one who encouraged us to start a new team after a while. So that's how we started the Team Silver with Michelle and Marcela. And we didn't know what to expect. We were very nervous. We didn't know anything about league play, what to do, how to form a team, how to do lines. And I remember I was very, very nervous at the first meeting, captain's meeting. So I had asked the coach, Kirsty, to come with me. And I remember people telling all kinds of stuff, and I was completely lost in that meeting. But then we started playing, we started taking day by day, and I was the captain. Michelle Barron was my co-captain at the time. And we started playing, and it got fun, more fun. And that's how we started the competitive tennis in C level.
Okay, so we're so happy being in B2. Last season we moved from B3. We had 3 new additionals with 3 new players. At the beginning it was a little tough to make the partners, but I think we really knew each other really good, and we did awesome work during the matches and during the season. Well, we came here to celebrate because we have a really nice end of the season match. We won all lines, all 4 lines we won. Our tough matches, it was with Onyx. It's a really good team. It's a tough match with playing against them. We did good. We did good matches with them. So, well, and Onyx is a really good team. They're moving up, and I think, well, they deserve to move up. I think we're a really good team together. We fight each point, every match. We never give up, and all the teammates are on the same. You know, we have a really good spirit team.
I think my strength is I'm getting wiser in time, and I'm trying to strategize on the court, and I'm using my strengths better. And if something is not working, I'm quick to come up with a second plan, like pulling the lines back, or coming up with a new play, like doing Australian, let's say, on the opponent. So I like to try fast, and I think that makes the opponent feel like, oh, they're coming up with something new. So that throws them off a little bit.
Well, for next season, our plans is, well, keeping B2. Well, maybe we can do a really good work, and, well, we're going to achieve to move to B1. So we're working on it.
I was the undefeated player for B3 last season. It was one of the highs of my tennis. But I'm thinking, it's a team play, and we're doing pretty good. I love my team. So it's not another goal I set for myself to become an undefeated player. It's more important for us to play good, have fun, and become first and finish as a solid first team for next season.